Hello, myself Vikas Chaurasia, and I'm a student of Ravensbourne University. I'm studying MSc Project Management, and this project is assignment, which module is Sustainable Project Management, and I have a topic on my project, which the topic name is a net zero carbon office building in the project, as you can see in the slide here. And first thing I want to explain about the carbon office building. Carbon office building is like a zero carbon office building in the UK is very common. This topic is both timely and crucial as we tackle the pressing challenges of climate change and move towards a sustainable future. There might be a question, why net zero carbon building matter? Because net zero carbon building matters because building are significant contributors to carbon emissions globally, and net zero carbon office building eliminates or offsets these emissions entirely. And there is a strategy for achieving net zero carbon, and the strategies are energy efficiency. This involves integrating advanced technology and spaceship design, and there is a renewable energy integration. By incorporating solar panels and heat pumps, building can generate and use clean energy. And there is also a role of green certificates, and the role is build roles like green certifications help ensure building are truly sustainable. And there is an example like BREEAM, BREEAM, and PASSIVAS, PASSIVAS. BREEAM, it checks the environmental impact of building, like how energy and water efficient they are. And PASSIVAS, this standard focus on reducing energy use in heating and cooling, saving up to 90% of energy compared to regular buildings. And there is another, there might be a challenges which the higher initial cost, awareness gap, material access, and there might be not everyone knows the benefits of net zero building, because unavailability of materials hard to find. And on this topic, I have done a project. The project is here, Gantt chart, and under the here Gantt chart you can see here the project is started. Total duration takes 548 days from December 11 to January 15, 2027. And there are 7 phases in this project. And the first phase is planning phase, and the planning phase takes 65 days to complete these tasks. And there are some tasks which I have assigned to the different members, like project manager, project scheduler, architect, structural engineer, mechanical engineer, and energy auditor, and procurement officers. And the tasks are here, like define project scope, which is assigned to the project manager. It takes 5 days to complete the tasks. And risk management planning, budget, define budget and financial plan, which is takes 5 days to complete, and do assign to project manager. And likewise, you can see here develop design brief and requirements, which I have assigned to the project manager and architect both. And this task takes 10 days. In the design phase, I have there are so many tasks, like initial design concept and feasibility study, architectural design and review, which I have assigned to the architect and mechanical engineer. And there is also a structural design and engineering, which I have assigned to the structural engineer. And design phase task takes 110 days to complete this task. There is another task which I have assigned to the project manager, is finalize project schedule and budget. This task takes 10 days. And there is also another phase, procurement phase, which takes 75 days of duration to complete this task. and there are tasks which I have assigned to the different members, like contractors, subcontractors, procurement officer, project manager. And the tasks are supplier and contractors identification, supplier assessment and selection contracts and financial contracts, purchase sustainable building and materials, procurements of energy efficient systems, which I have assigned to the procurement officer, and it takes 15 days. And there is another phase which is construction phase, which takes 157 days to finish this task. And under the construction phase, there is a site preparation and groundworks, which I have assigned to the construction manager. And there is another task, foundation and structural framework, building cell construction, installation of energy efficient system, waste management and recycling during construction, and sustainability monitoring during construction, which I have assigned to the sustainability consultant. And there is also a matter of safety and compliance checks, which takes 4 days, and I have assigned this 3 days, and I have assigned this task to the health and safety officer. And in this phase, there is a site clean up and preparation for handover, which takes 15 days of duration to accomplish this task. And I have assigned this task to contractor journal. And there is also another phase, testing phase, and it takes 70 days to complete this task. And I have assigned electrical engineer, project manager, electrical engineer, and the project scheduler according to the task. Commissioning of HVAC systems, we have which takes 10 days, and I have assigned to the electrical engineer. And there is and quality assurance, which I have assigned to the project manager, and it takes 10 days to accomplish this task. And there is also energy performance testing, which takes 10 days, electrical engineer, and 10 days duration, and I have assigned this task to the electrical engineer. And there is another operation and maintenance phase, and under the operation and maintenance phase, which takes 45 days to complete this task. And under this, I have assigned so many members for this to accomplish this task is construction manager, project manager. And there is a task like building operations and energy monitoring, performance tracking and reporting, and preventive maintenance schedule, conduct regular energy audit, carbon emission tracking and reporting. And let's go to another slide. And there is a waste reduction and a recycling program, which I have assigned to the construction crew labor. And there is an engagement for energy conservation tasks, which takes 10 days. And there is a last phase in this project, in this task, which is post construction phase. And under this, it takes 26 days to complete this task. And project close out and documentation, which takes 10 days and assigned to the project manager. Final project reconciliation, post project review, celebrate achieving net carbon goals, and it takes 1 day and assigned to the project manager. Let's go to another slide. And here you can see the Gantt chart, which is linked together the project manager, project architect, and mechanical engineer, structural engineer, energy auditor, and contractor, subcontractors, construction manager, contractor, health and safety officer, electrical engineer, construction and construction crew labor, and project manager. And you can see here a timeline which starts from December 11, Wednesday 2024, and finish at Friday 15 January 2027. And planning phase, design phase, procurement phase, construction phase, commissioning phase, and operation and post, all are linked together. And those are the tasks which is mentioned in the timeline according to the time. And you can see here resource sheet. In the resource sheet, I have explained here project manager, architect, structural engineer, mechanical engineers, and electrical engineer. I have you can see here standard rate, which I have a different standard rate according to the task of the managers and the responsible person. and you can see here 50, 35, 40, 35 pound, which is according to the delegation of the work, and the maximum units is 100% for all the members. And in conclusion, we can say that this project proves that achieving a net carbon office building in UK is feasible and crucial for climate goals. Key strategies include uh,